welcome back to my channel. So today, this video is a little bit different. It's something I've never done on my channel before, I think. I'm gonna be showing you what's inside of this eyelash kit. So if you guys want to see what's inside, then please keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. So this eyelash kit is an eyelash extension kit actually, and it's semi-permanent, and it is from PRETTIEME, but it is spelled P-R-E-T-T-I-E and then me. The link to their website will be in the description box below. I want to thank them so much for sending me this kit and sponsoring this video. And because I don't know how to put on my own lash extensions, I'm just going to be showing you what's inside. You guys are maybe a makeup artist, a freelance makeup artist, or if you guys do your own eyelash extensions, this kit could possibly be useful to you because it is very dense. It has almost, I'm pretty sure it has everything you need because there's a lot in here. So let's stop talking and open this baby up. So the first thing you see when you open this up is 3 packs of this luxury mink lashes. 3 packs of these luxury mink lashes from PRETTIEME. Okay, they're all different. They're all different, guys. So this one is 10 millimeters long, and this one is 8 millimeters long, so it's much shorter. I don't know if you guys can see that difference. And then this one is 11 millimeters long. So we have 8, 10, and then 11. So that is that. Then you get these 2 packs, and these are by Magic Eye Spirit. I think these are more natural looking for sure. These are a lot more wispy. And this one is 12 millimeters. And this one is 10. So you get these 2 in there as well. These are more like my style, I think, because I like that wispy natural look, not so much the heavy look. Oh, I found another pack. This is another pack of the 12 from PRETTIEME. And then you get these little applicators, which if I'm not mistaken, you eyelash extension pros can correct me if I'm wrong, of course, please do. I think this is when you get glue on the wrong spots and then you can clean it up with this. You obviously get these, what do you call them? Eye gel patches, and they're lint free. So lint free under eye gel patches, and this is used to put under the eye obviously while you're doing your lash extensions or while you're applying lash extensions on somebody else. So this kit, I'm telling you, it's perfect for you guys who are freelance makeup artists because it has just about everything you need for eyelash extensions. You also have these 2 kinds of tweezers, which of course come into play when you're putting on any kind of lashes. You of course get these mini scissors. You get these eyelash brushes. You get 2 of them, which is perfect. I think this one, yeah, this one is a little bit smaller than this guy right here. So you get 2 of those. You get some cotton pads because, oh, why not? You need these babies. And you get these 3 essential tubes, which are necessary. This is your lash primer. This is your adhesive. And then this is the remover. And this is a lash and brow pink gel remover. All essentials. You get 1 roll of paper tape. You get this jade stone palette, which is super dope. And lastly but not least, you get these glue rings, and I think there's about 10 to 15 pieces in this. You get all of that, guys, in this PRETTIEME eyelash extension kit. So as I said, this will be perfect for you guys who are makeup artists, freelance makeup artists. So all of the information for this and their website link will be in the description box below. And let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? If you guys tried lash extensions before, let me know your experience. If you guys know how to do your own lash extensions, then let me know your experience with that as well. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!